Before we practice anything today, I want to help you understand why self-abandonment feels so heavy in your body. Why something that happened so long ago still whispers through your chest, your stomach, your throat, your shoulders. This isn't weakness. This is your nervous system doing exactly what it's trained to do. Let me explain. When a child learns to silence themselves, to keep love close, or conflict away, the brain rewires itself around one core belief. My safety depends on my ability to disappear. And the body takes that literally. So the brain adjusts its systems. The amygdala becomes more sensitive, scanning constantly for emotional danger. The prefrontal cortex becomes quieter, where thinking, choosing, speaking up, all of that becomes harder in conflict. The insula becomes confused. It struggles to tell the difference between discomfort and danger. And the vagus nerve begins to collapse inward, where freeze becomes easier than fight or flight. This is why, even as adults, you may shut down or numb out, go quiet when something feels even slightly unsafe. Self-abandonment taught your brain that silence is survival. Not because you were wrong, but because you were young and you adapted. Self-abandonment pushes your body towards the fawn and freeze responses. Fawn says, if I'm easy, if I'm good, if I don't need anything, maybe you'll stay. And freeze says, if I shut down, I can't be hurt. These patterns become automatic, not chosen. Automatic. So when you try to speak your truth now, your whole system might feel like it's in danger. Your throat tightens or your stomach knots. Your breath shortens, your chest closes, your mind goes blank and guilt rises. Fear hums beneath the skin. This isn't self-sabotage. This is survival mode, still trying to protect you. Your nervous system isn't betraying you. It's repeating what once kept you alive, what once kept you safe. But love, you're not in that old environment anymore. Your body just hasn't been shown that it can stand with you now. That's what today's regulation practice is for. I want to introduce you to the self-return regulation practice. This practice gently rewires the nervous system out of fawn and freeze and back into presence. So, what I want you to do right now is place one hand on your chest and one hand on your lower stomach. Let your body feel the weight of your hands. You don't have to do anything else yet. Just feel that you're here. Now take a soft breath in, as if you're taking yourself back in. And exhale slowly, as if you're letting go of the pressure to perform. Again, breath in, feeling your chest open just a little, and out, letting your shoulders melt down. Your body needs to hear you stay. Now, quietly in your mind, or whisper if it feels safe, tell your younger self, you don't have to disappear anymore. I'm here now. Notice what shifts in your body. A warmth, a sting, a tightness loosening, a heaviness rising, or maybe nothing at all, which is also okay. Your system is learning slowly. Now, let your breath drop a little deeper into your stomach. This is where your freeze response softens. This is where fawning unwinds. And with your next exhale, release this message gently into your body. Staying with myself is safe. You don't have to believe it yet. You just have to let your body hear it. One more slow breath in and out. And when you're ready, let your hands fall gently to your sides, knowing this. Every time you practice this, you're teaching your nervous system a truth it was never given. Staying with yourself is no longer dangerous. You don't have to abandon yourself to keep love. You never did.